permeability as H is equal to your B by mu naught minus I. This H, magnetic intensity, has been defined like that. H is equal to B by mu naught minus I, and I is given as susceptibility into H. Just now we have defined this. So, we can see from equation 1 and 2, H is given as B by mu naught minus psi into H. So, this we can write here, B is equal to mu naught 1 plus psi into H. This is the relation here. Now, here another term we can use here, B is equal to your mu naught, and 1 plus psi is written as with a mu r into H, and this further written as B is equal to mu into H. So, where mu r is equal to 1 plus psi is called relative magnetic permeability of matter, relative magnetic permeability of matter, permeability of matter or medium, and here mu is defined as mu is equal to your absolute magnetic permeability of medium, absolute magnetic permeability of medium. So, from here we can write mu is equal to mu naught into mu r, or this is your mu is equal to mu naught 1 plus psi. This is the relation for that, and the value of psi is your depend on the which type of material we are having. For diamagnetic material, the value of psi is your negative, paramagnetic it is value positive, while ferromagnetic value is very large and positive. This is the magnetic permeability of the material. Now, come to the another point.